Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Franca and welcome back to Styles by Franca. So on today's tutorial guys, I'm going to be teaching us how to make this lovely A-shape trendy style with a bell sleeve. As you can see, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And for all my subscribers, thank you for showing love to this channel. So let's go straight into this video. So I folded my fabric into 4 IE plus 6 divided by 4, and the total width of the how I want it to be wide is 16 inches. So here is me just marking my full length, so the short gown length. Then I'm also marking the half length. Sorry, this isn't showing very well. So I marked my back. So I backed is 16, then I cuffed my armhole and I placed my bust measurement at bust plus 6 divided by 4. So at the half length, I wanted to give it a little bit of shape, then I decided not to give it any shape. So I just connected my hand from the bust to the full breadth of the dress. So for the neck width I used 3 inches, then for the depth I used 1 inches for the back, and for the front I used 3 by 3. Then I cross-checked my measurement and I actually cut it out. So that's just all for it. It is very simple, easy tutorial guys. Then I just started cutting, then I cut my armhole. So it's a free gown, just from the bust to the downside, depends on how wide you want it to be. So after cutting my back net, I removed the back, then I cut out my front neckline, then I slash it a little bit at the center by 4 inches. So I'm done cutting the front and the back. So I'm going to be cutting a facing, because I'm going to be using a facing to knit those. I'm using a facing for the neckline. So here is my sleeve, full length sleeve. I'm just cutting it out. So I determined how wide I want it to be at the downside. So the downside of my sleeve is 16 inches. Then I just cuffed my hand and cut it out a little bit, just how we cut our normal sleeve. Then I just make the downside a little bit wide. That's all for the sleeve. Then I cut a facing for the front and the back. So we're actually done with the cutting. So here's me, I've sewn my neckline with my facing. I'm just going to be notching and give it a good ironing for both front and the back. And as for the sleeve, I'm going to be hemming down. I'm going to be hemming the downside of my sleeve, folding it by 2, then stitch it down. So after stitching down the sleeve, I'm going to be joining the front and the back shoulder. As you can see, I've ironed it. So I'm going to be placing the right side facing each other, then stitch down the shoulder, then place my sleeve on it, just as so a normal dress. So after placing my sleeve, I'm also going to be holding the shape. It is a free gown, so you're not going to be doing a full shaping like that, just the bust area, and you make the other side fitted free. Sorry, I'm going to make it free, so I'm just joining it, sewing it from my sleeve to the downside of my gown. As you can see in the video, I'm also going to be doing that on both sides, then end the edge, the downside, the bottom. So here's me just aiming down the downside. I added allowance to my gown, so I'm folding 3 inches at the downside. I added 3 inches plus my actual length, and I'm just stitching it down. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. Subscribe this channel, join my sewing family, like, share and subscribe. Share this video to your loved ones that are interested in sewing tutorials like this. So if you have any style, anything you want me to do on this channel, you can just leave a comment on this video and I'm going to reply and do the video. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.